We are going to find the area bounded by two curves, y equals x squared and y equals 4x minus x squared. Step 1. Find their intersection points by setting the equations equal. X squared equals 4x minus x squared. Move everything to one side. 2x squared minus 4x equals 0. Factor 2x times x minus 2 equals 0. So the solutions are x equals 0 and x equals 2. Step 2. Decide which curve is on top between 0 and 2. Consider the difference. Left parenthesis 4x minus x squared, right parenthesis minus x squared equals 4x minus 2x squared. On the interval from 0 to 2, this expression is positive, so the upper curve is y equals 4x minus x squared, and the lower curve is y equals x squared. Step 3. Set up the area integral. Area equals the integral from 0 to 2 of upper minus lower. That is the integral from 0 to 2 of 4x minus 2x squared, dx. Step 4. Integrate and evaluate. An antiderivative is 2x squared minus 2/3 x cubed. Evaluating from 0 to 2 gives 8 minus 16 over 3. Therefore, the area equals 8 over 3 square units.